For years, Bentley has created powerful, distinctive driving experiences. In our new Torcal, we've taken this further than ever before. It started with our DNA, but we kept pushing the boundaries. Now the car doesn't simply perform, it transforms around you. Light, sound, temperature, even the air you're breathing, it all shifts together. We call it the Curation Engine. Grounded in sensory neuroscience, guided by our understanding of how environment affects emotion. Bentley Mode. Warm, dynamic, perfectly balanced. Comfort wraps everything around you. Soothing. Sport is sharper. The soundscape intensifies, you feel it. And refresh, that's the one people don't expect. Opens the air, clears your head. 4 modes, 4 completely different experiences, same car. The all-new Bentley Torcal.